One thing about college, it ends. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, but preferably ladies. Welcome back to my channel that I have abandoned for a long while. Yeah, I don't know. I just felt like, should I do another, a college vlog? Is it like necessary at this point? Like in 2025, I've already said bye to that place. We have had our emo moment with the OLT college vlogs. But me being me, I recorded a lot of clips and I don't know, I just felt lazy to edit them. I never did that. Now it's kind of getting cold. I'm on my recliner in my blanket. I just had some protein tiramisu that I made, was really good. Watching Kurukshetra, actually, it's such a good show. It's a new Kurukshetra, the animated one. First things first, hilariously, because I keep getting distracted a lot. So, as annoying as it sounds, I'm going to Manipal for, okay, I promise this is the last time because I'm attending my graduation ceremony. Oh my god. This person right here is graduating. Yeah, we are all surprised, I know. This is like a very huge emotional moment for all of us. I don't feel that huge. The dick joke's gotta stop, bro. I'm 22. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to Manipal again. Who is surprised? Like, literally, who is surprised? I'll try to be a good friend and I'll edit this vlog. So, hopefully, if you're watching this, pause right now and go in the comment and type the words. Thank you, Satakshi, for editing this vlog. Like, you care so much. You fought your laziness and you did it for us. I did it all for you. So, bro, the birds are so fucking loud. Can you hear it? So crazy. Farah and Didi are having Hadika Thai curry and Fajita. What's your review?
What is that? Amazing.
And also blend it like Hawaii. What's your review?
That would be 8 on 10 or maybe more.
वो हवा से पीछे ही ना आ जाए वापस मेरे पे भी आ गया ना झूठे मधुबन से आए
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. Oh god, I don't want to be back on this. You know, today I got recognized for the vlog. Do you know?
Wait, who said that?
Karan.
Karan, of course.
Yeah.
Didi and Karan know you because they've never met you properly.
Yeah, they were like, oh, they went like Vismay from the vlog, and I was like, what? Is that what this is come
Bro,
to?
my entire family. Last OLT AV1 walk. Shrija and I can never get something done in one go. So we're going to collect our grade sheet. And after that, we'll hopefully get our sash.
Stay tuned to see if you graduate.
Hey guys, we are in a parlor right now, in the salon. We are getting ready we can't show you what's underneath. It's fine, nothing. I saw that.
Blue. Lal something.
What?
Blue lal. Lal इसके लिए and blue उसके लिए and
We are right now walking on the streets of Manipal.
looking all
And
bougie.
looking all bougie in our sari, so royal, carrying our sash for graduating. And we're all looking baddies. Three of us. B302.
Hi vlog. It's been so long.
It's been so long.
I feel like I haven't. It's been so long for me.
Yeah.
Because you guys have met.
Yeah.
I don't vlog anymore.
I don't vlog anymore.
We do like Snapchat vlogs.
Yeah. What do you feel about the ceremony?
Oh, Aditi.
Whoa.
Ceremony, I believe that this will be the end of our lives as we feel it. The enjoyment is gone, the fun is gone. We're gonna have dead lives for 40 more years now.
Bye.
BSc Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Jannavi Shetty, and Sandesha BSc Emergency Medical Technology.
Finally retouching the makeup.
Graduating from Triple E Section C.
उसको बुला. A genuine question. So when we walk on the stage to collect our graduation gift, I have to leave my phone behind. But I'm so worried because मेरा step count खराब नहीं होने वाला है. I wanted to because वो stairs वाला count होता है ना तो ज़्यादा calorie burn हो जाता है. Hi guys.
Actually, I love your close friends.
Oh,
This is
same.
shout out to
Shout out to Anshuman
Anshu, yes.
and Nibir. Bye. अभी तक
यहाँ पर खड़े थे हम लोग और तुमने बोला था रेड कार्ड देखो और मैं ऊपर देखी थी.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आता ये.
तो एयरपोर्ट से निकल रहे थे.
हाँ और मैंने क्या बोला था कि रेड कार देखो
हाँ तुमने बोला कितनी क्यूट सी रेड कार है.
और तू
मैंने
आसमान
बोला कहाँ और मैंने ऊपर देखा और तुमने मेरे को टपली मारी. मैंने बोला यार
भाई दैट्स क्रेजी. मेरे को नहीं आता बट अगर मैंने ये व्लॉग बनाया तो ये पार्ट ब्लॉग में जाएगा. ये हम रात के 12 बजे सड़क क्रॉस कर रहे हैं.
There's a light outside. I want to switch it on.
There is a light, but I don't know what switch it is.
Everything's on. अरे मुझे डरा रहे हो? I don't.
Hey, hi bitches.
Let's go. Smiled and went back to sleep.
This is 2 months in advance. Legs in my arm, okay? I can do this. Inshallah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. I want to do that. I want that.
Yeah, sir. Who's winning? And then you can just like.
Yeah.
ऊपर थोड़ा ऊपर ले जाओ. बस. क्या?
क्या तुम्हारे ब्लॉग पे जाएगा ये?
हाँ.
ठीक है, I don't care, but that looks like it's his ball.
Right. I agree. Everyone say hi to official Jija of By Beacher 69 followers.
69 followers.
Yeah, now I have 72 subscribers by the way.
Wow.
जैसे ही बोलोगे देखा 2 लोग unfollow कर देंगे.
And then it will be 69.
2 लोग से 70 होगा दीदी. Oh God. Bye.
It's clear that why I did not take engineering.
It's okay. They're playing Nagin dance.
Our parents are on that cruise. And Karan is there.
Karan is there recording. Why the are they playing Nagin dance on a cruise? Dil dhadakne do moment. Let's spot our parents. It's Karan right there. I think our parents are there on that ship. Oh, there are parents. Really, that this area is prohibited now. And I have my Instagram pictures standing there. Shrishti, आवाज निकालो.
Your juniors
Yeah.
got they couldn't experience that.
Exactly, they can't stand there.
It's like when you leave the school or university and then they change
The
whole
rules,
map of
yeah.
it and everything.
This place is gorgeous. Oh, look at the bird. We have to play you and I.
हम लोग को ऐसे जाना है इस व्यू के साथ वापस. तो जो एक्चुअली में अच्छे होते पढ़ाई लिखाई में वो दिखते अच्छे हैं
अच्छा अच्छा.
और जो नर्ड दिखते हैं वो बस दिखाने के लिए नर्ड होते हैं कि वो देखो मैं कितना पढ़ा हूँ,
सही बात.
लेकिन वो होते हैं एकदम फेलियर.
सही बात.
इसीलिए करण को अपने आप को गीक बुला रहे, नर्ड नहीं. और
Because I would be good at like studies and every book. I would read all book. That's the definition of a nerd. A geek does not.
What am I?
You are more of a nerd.
wanna be topper.
I'm not a wannabe. I was a topper.
Nerds are
Excuse me.
Toppers, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah. But I geek out on a lot of things.
There's a Venn diagram for this also. By the way.
Yeah. I'm some.
And एक और होता है.
Venn diagram.
Not geek and pleb होता है. I think.
What is pleb?
Pleb.
Huh?
Pleb.
We are at the beach, Delta, and yep, I'm actually kind of emo right now, not gonna lie. Yeah, that's cool. This might be the last time for a long while. I know I keep saying that for the last 3-4 times. That I have pimple patches right now because my skin is really bad. Anyway, let's not talk about my skin right now. But other than that, I think I'm gonna show you the view because it's prettier than my face. And yeah, anyway, yeah, it's really cool. Stand here after getting my degree, and it's crazy. Cheers. क्यों? Oh shit. मेरी तो 22 से खराब है.
लगता है तुमने बहुत हॉट ड्रिंक्स में चूज किया है.
Yeah, साइड हो जाओ. Bye. Bye. See you again. Bye. और चीची मम्मी गिरना मत. बच्चों को पढ़ाने आए. Oh shit. Bye मम्मी please गिरना मत.